What's up, guys? Welcome back. So today we in PA. Let's see how this road is. Travel with me. We're about to get into a tunnel. Yeah. Snow everywhere. Every side. If you're tired, you can just pull over there, like here. Chill, sleep, have a rest. Before you go on. Don't drive while you're sleeping or tired. Yeah, so we're getting into the tunnel. This is Allegheny Mountain. Okay. How does it look? Yeah, here we go. Don't mind my windshield. It's dirty, I know. I'll clean it up when I start. Because it's snowing everywhere. The windshield can't be clean. Well, gotta do what you gotta do. Yo guys, remember to like, comment, subscribe. I'll really appreciate it. Just need to get to 100 subscribers. I know we got this. But to see the view at the end of the tunnel, how it looks. And here we come to the end of the tunnel. Check out the view, guys. Yeah, that's how it looks. Open food over. You guys keep food over. Past this guy. Keep going. MGL. Check out, guys. You can't see all the way because of the weather. Oh, this guy coming at full speed, passing me. Yeah. Yeah, so guys, I hope you got to enjoy this video. If you need to see anything, just let me know. Give me a comment down below. I'll get to show you what you want to see. Alright? So I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.